bucket list, and the place is going crazy in Arlington, Texas.
Feel loud today, all right? Go get him, coach. Feel loud. Get him, coach. Get him, coach. Feel loud.
Hey, baby, we're prepared for this moment. Let's go out here and take it. It's ours. We home. Let's go out here and celebrate, baby. Hot boys on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hot boys.
Let's go, Damian Wilson.
Go, Cowboys.
When they find a lineman that can block me, then we gonna talk. We got 4 games to win. Today's the first one. They can't do nothing with us. They don't want it more than we do. They haven't worked hard as we have. We're gonna get this today. It starts today. You take over the whole game, they don't have a shot.
Left to right, snap is back to Prescott, handoff. Elliott coming right, needs a block on the edge, turns the corner across the 25.
Nice run. Nice run.
2nd and 10, Prescott under center, handoff, Elliott coming left, and they flow to him this time.
Hang in there 1-9, let's go, baby. Come on now. Come on, man. We need points. Knock this down, kid.
And Maher's kick is right down the middle.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You good, babe? 'Let's go!
3rd and 7, 4-man rush. He throws right, slant, caught, Hearns.
Oh, he's laying, man! Oh, my God. It's bent right now. We got to pray, yo.
Well, yeah, you feel for Allen Hearns. That was not pretty.
Let Zeke do it, bounces out right, to the 40, to the 50, to the 30, sideline 20 and out of bounds. Feed me. Zeke says, feed me.
In playoffs, we went 2 spoons, baby.
Prescott, snap is back, trying it again, fade right side, ball's caught. Touchdown, Michael Gallup.
What we talking about, Wise? What we talking about, Wise? Come on, bro. You know they big Hearns too, baby. I got the general with me. I got the wolf hunter with me. Know what I'm saying?
7 left. First down, Wilson pass over the middle in a zone to the 15-yard line. Good tackle on Doug Baldwin.
Let's go! Yeah! Here, baby.
Austin to the 25-30. Austin looking for the Jets. Austin to the 50. Sideline 40. Forced out of bounds.
I need an oil change.
Outside the 1. Handoff. Elliott powering into the end zone. Touchdown, Cowboys.
They can't hang with us the whole game, bro. All they want to do is this. They can't hang with the game. We're going to keep doing this. You got me? Let's go get a 7. Let's go put it in the box. Let's put this in the box.
On 3rd and long, Prescott runs it up the middle. 15, 10, 5. Diving to the 1. So 2:14 in the game. Dallas 17-14. 1st and goal at the 1. Prescott keeps it. Burrows at right guard.
No touchdown.
Touchdown!
Oh, there we go.
Touchdown, Prescott!
That's what I'm talking about.